I was thinking if I was going to go over there, I would have to go around there and down that road and around there. I figured what I might do is just take a little bit of liberty here and waltz along this farm. It should be fine, trust me. Hopefully no ninjas will come out and attack me. So that's that shrine over there. As you can see, there's quite a few people out due to the we're taking this due to the sun actually came out for us. Isn't that groovy? Cabbages right there. Also along. See this bell that I'm carrying, which is in here. It's the artist has written all this stuff. Kanji is not my forte. My mate's up there in the mountains, so it's just the way it's gonna have to be. And he helped me out with my computer just the other day, so I'm not gonna cost him again for a while. This bloke, he's like pretty techy with computers, so I had to get another computer, didn't I? Car dies, computer dies. Ugh, the woes of me. So it's all in Windows 10, which I know not, and it's all in Japanese. So I got a lot of it placed back into a language I can understand roughly. But there's always something, you know. And this place, Japan itself, if you don't have mates, there's just no way. I mean, fair enough if you're working for a company or something, you know, but if you're working for yourself, there's always an issue. There's always an issue. Yes. I like it here. I haven't been here for a while. There's a Han show up there. There's some shoes, some people here. Buddhist monk right there. Now I found, see up there, the Han show is that secondary bell. There's a crypt there. And I found a tiny little bell over here we can have a bit of a glance at. Ooh, the cherry blossoms are coming. In fact, that reminds me, there's a cherry blossom party that I will be in attendance. That's the plan. There's a tiny little bell around here somewhere. It's about the size of this one, in fact. Let's just have a glance here. Put this one here. So that's so it comes with this box, you see, which is really quite nice. And the reason why something was rattling in there, I'll mention in a second. Nice and gently down. This is a personal Buddhist bell. I took the liberty of purchasing this today, and I was deciding which colours to get, and I found that this one has two different types of colour on the handle. Isn't that cool? So I decided to grab this one. Now, what I'll do is I'll sound of this bell right now. As I've mentioned many a time, this camera, if it's too close to, trust me, this bell's an excellent sound. If it's too close, it won't handle the sound, so I'll have to do it farther away. And there's a little stringer. You've got your two striking points. Maybe you can see that. Very light strike. I'm striking it like I haven't eaten meat for a while. A very long reverberation. But that's just how you strike them. You don't strike them very hard at all. And that's just great. There you are. Isn't that lovely? Now, it's still going. Very long reverberation on this particular bell. And I'm going to have to get a few photos of it, aren't I? But yeah, you get some cushioning or something in there. You get this, you get all this. Yeah, rarely do you get the actual information for it also, but I'll just show you this tiny little bell. It's about the size of this one. Let's have a look. Oh, there it is. Yes, it's roughly the size of, wow, isn't that tremendous? An old groovy beam. I don't think you need a beam like that for this particular one. There you are. Let's try not to fall down here. Isn't that beautiful? I'd love to strike it. I have been to a temple and said to people, I said, I wouldn't mind striking it, and the monk found out. Off we went, so it was great. I got to strike it with this really heavy beam. It was a much bigger bell than this. It was really wonderful. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, you know what, I'll take a few pictures. Will I just continue this video? Hello. I don't know. These are nice. Okay. I'll take a few pictures. Yeah, go man, ちょっとビデオします。後で写真。このものいいね、ボンチョ。かっこいい。Okay, what I'll do is I'll switch this vid off, and then I'll get some pictures of this, and then I'll go back there. How's that sound?